Simultaneity refers to the occurrence of two or more events at the same time. In classical Newtonian physics, time was absolute. If two events occur simultaneously for one observer, they did so for all observers. Now was the same for everyone everywhere. However, Albert Einstein's special theory of relativity fundamentally changed this understanding. It introduced the concept of relativity of simultaneity. According to his view, simultaneity is not absolute. Two events that are simultaneous for one observer are not simultaneous for another observer moving relative to the first. There is no universal present moment, only a relative present tied to your frame of reference. The relativity of simultaneity is a direct consequence of the second postulate of special relativity. The speed of light in a vacuum is a constant for all observers, irrespective of their motion. The concept of simultaneity is most clearly illustrated by Einstein's famous train embarkment thought experiment. Consider a train is moving along track. Lightning strikes both ends of the train at the exact same moment. There are two observers. Observer A sitting on the mid of the platform. Observer B sitting inside in the mid of the train. An observer who is stationary and positioned exactly midpoint A and B will see the light from both events arrived at the same time. This observer would conclude that the events were simultaneous. Now consider a second observer moving toward event B and away from event A. Because this observer is moving, the light from event B has a shortened distance to travel to reach them, while the light from event A has a longer distance to travel. Since the speed of light is constant, the moving observer will see the light from event B before the light from event A. This observer would therefore conclude that the event B happened before event A. Both observers' conclusions are correct with their own frame of reference. This demonstrates that there is no universal now across different frames of motion. The relativity of simultaneity is a foundational concept that leads to the other key of prediction of special relativity, such as time dilation and length contraction.